Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and look at what I have found for you. Man, this thing is gorgeous. I don't believe this is original color. It's kind of a silver gray. It's got a lot of metallic in it, but I don't care. This thing is gorgeous. I guess you'd call this a resto mod. Now this is, I'm up here at Harrison's garage in Wake Forest, and this customer dropped this off, and Tony said it was okay if I did a video on it, but he's walked off, so he's not here to open the hood or start it up or anything for me. He's busy trying to keep his business going, but so I'm not going to be able to get you any under the hood shots because it's not my car, and I don't want to mess with somebody's car. But I'm going to say that's probably a 72. They changed the body style to 73, and I think this is a 72. We'll walk back here. We'll check it out. Look at them Krager wheels. It's got the 442 W30, and I do not know if that's original. Let's check out the hood while we're here. Man, that is something else. Wow. Check out the way Oldsmobile did their hood pins. Ain't that cool? Pretty cool. Nice looking glass. Got tinted glass. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Got the little, I don't know what Oldsmobile called their wing. I know Mopar called their wing a go wing. I'm not sure what Oldsmobile called theirs. Let's see if we can tell by the tail lights what year we're working with here. 72 according to that. Let's see if I can get focused on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a pretty good glare. I don't think you can see it. It's 72 right there where my finger is. I would call this, maybe I can get you better. Can you see that one? There you can see that one down. There you go. Oh baby, focus for me. Get the focus. There we go. 72. So I'm assuming that's what this is, a 72. It doesn't matter. This thing is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous car. And I think he told me it was a 4-speed. That's fine. Yep, I can see the stick from here. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to open the door. Like I said, it's not my car. And Tony's walked off. It's definitely a 4-speed. Holy cow, look at that console. That is very tasteful. Look at these seats. Good wide seats. High back. Tasteful looking console and shifter. Instrument cluster looks nicely laid out. Sports the little 442 on the glove box door. There's no AC, which is what you want in a muscle car. If you want AC, get yourself a cruiser. Right? Am I right, folks? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this. Again, I want to thank Tony Harrison, Harrison's Garage in Wake Forest. This is one of his customers. And man, I tell you what, hard to argue with this. Oh yeah, back on the color. It's definitely got silver gray and a little bit of brown in it, just a hint. I've mixed enough paint in my day, my touch-up business. I'd put a little bit of brown if I was trying to match this color for touch-up. It's got that timeless grill in it. Oh God, I love it. I love it. 442. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll continue to bring you these cars. I spend an awful lot of time riding around, visiting all the shops and junkyards that I do business with, and people I know, and car clubs and car shows. So help me out with a little bit of love there.